Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, this is a story of the haves and the have-nots, where some areas have picked up between 3 and 5 inches of rainfall based on Doppler radar rainfall estimates, while others have seen little to no rain at all, even hazy sunshine. And it's all happening in our little state of Rhode Island. Let's go ahead and take a look at the areas that have been dealing with those downpours and embedded thunderstorms. Some pretty intense lightning and thunder with these storms earlier in the morning. Now we're still seeing some of these downpours, especially from parts of still Aquidneck Island all the way out to Buzzards Bay. That's where the heavier darker greens and yellows are located. So Tiverton still adding to the rainfall totals right now. We see that in Fall River, New Bedford, and back through Bristol and parts of Jamestown and Narragansett. The intensity of the rain for most is starting to ease up, and that's a trend that should continue. Now, there's still the potential for an embedded thunderstorm this afternoon, which is why I have us up into the medium category. The biggest risk with any of these storms that develop would be heavy rain and lightning, and that could lead to some additional flash flooding. Tonight we're in the low category, and then I actually have us up into the medium category for Tuesday, as we'll have another chance for some thunderstorms popping up mainly in the late afternoon. Now, these storms have been training, which means one area or several areas get hit time after time, and you can see where that's mostly been areas south of Providence through the last 12 hours, so midnight through now. And you can see rainfall totals in those areas, more than 3.5 inches of rain being reported in parts of Portsmouth, Middletown over 3 inches of rain, almost 3 inches in Tiverton, Bristol over 2 inches of rain, while TF Green saw so far just a ½ an inch of rain, and New Bedford less than a ½ an inch of rainfall. So our Futurecast through the rest of the day showing the potential for additional showers along the coastline especially, but expecting to also see showers and thunderstorms firing up mostly to our north and west over the next few hours, and that's where the activity will tend to shift. So things should quiet down by the evening commute along the coastline and across much of the rest of Rhode Island too. Can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm, but I don't think it'll be what we saw so far this morning. And then as we move into the nighttime hours, just an isolated thunderstorm possible, and again another chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Tuesday. Narragansett this afternoon, gray and stormy still, and you can find some of those storms especially looking south into Providence, with temperatures still only 70 degrees. Newport's still in the upper 60s, and New Bedford at 69. All it's going to take is a little bit of sunshine to pull our temperatures up into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees, and I do expect that to happen. We're close to that already in Pasco. Widening out the view, taking a look at the satellite and radar, you can see where again we've really had the focus of the stormy weather south of Providence, right along the coastline, out to parts of Cape Cod and the island. So this afternoon, I still think with a few breaks of sunshine, we'll still climb up to near 80 degrees, humid and hazy with that isolated shower and thunderstorm tonight. More of the same, down to only about 69 degrees for an overnight low, and then tomorrow's high 86, partial hazy sun. The risk for a thunderstorm or shower tomorrow is lower than it's been for today. So the same weather system impacting us today will be impacting us tomorrow, but it'll be even weaker than what we've seen today. So rain and thunder at the beaches today near 74 degrees at the shore. Visibility has been poor, and any showers and thunderstorms on the bay. High tides at 4:10 this afternoon. 7-day Futurecast. Other big part of the story this week, in addition to this morning's flash flooding, has been will be the heat and humidity building. 86 tomorrow. Then how about those highs on Wednesday? 92 degrees. Heat index between 93 and 98 in the afternoon. Thursday will bring in another chance of a thunderstorm isolated during the evening and nighttime hours on Thursday. It looks hot and humid Friday and into